We're entering a new era of agricultural production. This new cycle requires increased technical skills, more natural solutions, and fewer pesticides, antibiotics, and chemical products. We must do better with less. OLMIX Group's plant care innovations allow us to improve soil quality, feed plants, and reinforce their natural defenses. Plants show better resistance to disease, parasites, and fungi thanks to products based on green algae, clays, and trace elements. OLMIX Group's natural products help to improve plant performance and limit the use of pesticides and fungicides. OLMIX Animal Care developed from this desire to provide natural alternatives to chemical treatments in the field of animal production. OLMIX Group is continuing its research into the structural and biological properties of algae in an effort to find new and innovative solutions in other areas, including managing mycotoxin risk, digestive efficiency, digestive welfare and immunity, all with the same objective: animal welfare and performance without antibiotics. By creating a complete program, OLMIX Group has demonstrated how broilers can be reared without antibiotics, thanks to algae. Today, OLMIX Group is working with livestock farmers, veterinarians, and feed producers to help adapt this kind of process to other species and other farming methods. In this way, OLMIX Group is also contributing to improving human health. OLMIX Group also uses the properties of seaweed to develop human care products. Enriching processed foods with algae extracts or proposing algae-based food complements are ways of improving health through food. OLMIX Group's experience in extracting active ingredients means it can today propose algae-based molecules for actors in the pharmaceutical sector who are looking for natural alternatives. Because of its layered structure, the montmorillonite clay used by OLMIX, once micronized, can protect the digestive tract, dry out the environment, and also reveal the potential of many active ingredients found in algae, or finally valorize trace elements. Trace elements are mineral elements necessary for the healthy functioning of certain physiological functions. Algae are the source of an exceptional variety of nutrients and active ingredients. The specific polymers in algae have properties that allow the creation of innovative materials, as well as biological properties that, for example, can stimulate natural defenses. OLMIX Group's global aim is to create a healthy food chain based on algae. This renewable source of raw materials has a huge potential and is capable of helping to feed 9 billion people by 2050 in a sustainable way. OLMIX Group's R&D sector is made up of health and nutrition experts, specialists in algae, clays and trace elements, and process engineers. These teams use the laboratory and pilot equipments of the Biotech Centre in Brayan at OLMIX Group's head office. They also cooperate with universities and research institutes around the world. We're working in partnership with OLMIX, who are developing several algae-based products with very encouraging results, particularly for two diseases that cause major problems for vegetable artichoke mildew and tomato odium. Their product, called MSP, inhibits the growth of bacteria that can affect livestock production, and they also increase animals' immune responses by increasing the production of certain immunity mediators. Because of their active components, algae represent an extremely interesting potential for human health. These discoveries have led to the registering of patents and have allowed OLMIX Group to launch the ambitious Ulvans and Algo Life research programs and to create a unique training centre, providing courses on how to use algae-based solutions in agriculture and food processing, thus helping Brittany to become a major platform for blue biotechnology solutions. OLMIX Group now has the experience to export and adapt these global solutions to local situations around the world. OLMIX Group has always been able to find men and women capable of understanding the specific problems of their home countries. Today, we need to produce differently. OLMIX Group has been working for 20 years. OLMIX Group is ready to take us to this new era. For a better life, thanks to algae.